guys, it's Lily here, and in this video, I'm talking to my next door neighbor in Skype.
Hi.
Yeah. And wait, Ashley, you should go on Animal Jam 2 maybe.
My sister's on the computer.
Oh, right.
I can ask.
Wait. Yeah, this is gonna be so bad anyway.
Share your screen. Share your screen with me.
Huh?
Share your screen.
Wait, how do I show my screen?
You go back on Skype and then...
I am on Skype, but then...
Oh yeah, your computers have iPad, have computer. I think it might not work.
I don't know how to... You'll see my video anyway on YouTube. But yeah, okay, this is random video. Wait, a party's on? Seriously?
Paris doing a live stream yesterday. He's gonna have to pay. Yeah, on your side.
So, because I know this
I'm gonna play a slime. And yeah. How come when I was Skyping your sister, she couldn't like make a video, but now when I was Skyping you while making videos, it works. My brother made a mess.
Oh, that's just...
We got slime.
Okay, fine, Ellie Cat, go to your bin. Fine. What the hell is that?
Slime.
Slime.
Yeah.
That's just...
I got... It's my sister's, but my slime looks liquid. Like, I'll show you. It's easily liquid. My slime looks like water, but my sister's one doesn't.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
My one looks like water. The riches that my sister's.
Wait,
oh, nice.
wait. I put that. This. And why did you give me a color that? Wait. What? Wait. Where's Ellie Cat?
Where?
There. And then go to her.
My mom's plane cancelled to go to Auckland, and we paid so much money for the ticket.
Right. Okay.
So have you guys bought a present for Freya?
No.
Neither. Like, oh wait, so that's why we didn't buy it yet.
Wait. Why do we need to buy a present for her?
It's her birthday in October.
Oh, that's a long time away, so.
Didn't your sister show you about that invitation?
She gotta join the chat. Then
Wait, I'll be right back.
okay. I'm just gonna.
It's so noisy.
I'm trying to add Brianna to the chat.
Oh, okay.
Come on. She's not gonna do it.
Your sister.
Yeah. Wait, I just... Finally, she wins.
Call your video random video with friends.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video, guys, because it's, like, boring, and yeah.
Bye!
Bye!